Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Ford Focus Trend, stock reference number 5398. The shape runs from the 7th month 2015 through to the 11th month 2018. It has a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage. Left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, Satnav display screen, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons.